Which proprietary sauce would you serve with beef stroganoff? Tomato ketchup? Hi, this is Sid Bari and welcome back. तो ये बात है 1999 की. So I just joined GE and I had a final interview left with the Taj Group of Hotels. So I was meeting the Taj Group of Hotels for an interview and I was asked this question. सो मेरे को तो जनाब जितना आता था मैंने तो बोल दिया कि टोमेटो केचप. बट उन्होंने तो बहुत जलील किया. उन्होंने कहा वी गॉट वेटर्स हु हैव बेटर knowledge than what you possess, so why should we hire you as a management trainee when we have these waiters? तो एनीवेज हम मायूस होकर घर वापस आ गए. बट हम जी तो ज्वाइन कर ही लिया था तो कोई नौकरी के लाले नहीं पड़े थे. बट अ वीक लेटर my interviewer joined GE Capital. And that is when I realized that failures are good. I was very disappointed at that point in time, but really, when I look back at it, I think that failure was probably the best thing that ever happened to me. So, failures are good. We've been talking about success too long, so let's talk about failures. तो उस टाइम तो हम छोटे थे, उम्र हमारी थोड़ी कम थी, so we didn't realize what failures could do for us. And but today I can look back and say that we've been talking about success too long, and I think in the entire scheme of things, failures gets left out. But what does failure do to you? Okay, failures are good because what we've gone through as a conditioning in school, at homes, is that failures are always meant to be the bad guys. Okay, the failure, आप स्कूल में फेल हो जाओगे, सब्जेक्ट में फेल हो जाओगे, एग्जाम में फेल हो जाओगे, लाइफ में फेल हो जाओगे. लेकिन मैंने तो यार जो भी सीखा है मैं तो फेल होकर ही सीखा है. तो वाई इज failure such a hawa that it is made out to be this bad thing that should never happen to you? Because failures are probably the best teacher. I mean, I haven't learned so much from my successes that I have learned from my failures. And it has that role to play. It has the ability to I mean, it's an innovator. So just as an example, I'll just quote you an example. अभी ये हाल ही की बात है, ये वीडियोस बनाने जब शुरू किए हमने तो किसी ने हमारे को बोला कि आपकी आवाज़ अच्छी है, आप वॉइस ओवर क्यों नहीं ट्राई करते. और ये बोलने वाली मेरी बीवी थी. तो मैंने कहा बकवास कर रही है, इसका तो यही काम है, कुछ कुछ बोलती रहती है. तो मैंने कहा कि जी नहीं. फिर एक दिन ऐसे वेले बैठे हुए थे हम, तो हमने कहा चल कुछ ट्राई कर ही लेते हैं. तो हमने वॉइस ओवर करे. I sent those samples. They were random samples recorded of this mic, and they weren't in a this thing. But I sent them to a friend who does voiceovers. She sent it to her client, who listened to those samples and called me back the very next day. In doing so, he sent me a script and he said, "Give me some samples." I recorded those samples and I sent it across to him to fail. Okay, so he said not good enough. This is not going to work. आप फेल हो गए इसके अंदर. अच्छा जी, हो गए फेल. अब उसका रिस्पॉन्स क्या था? In my case, my response was that I got soundproofing done of my office. Okay, because when I heard those samples again, I realized that the voice is echoing off the walls and it's not giving the clarity that it needs. So that was my response to a failure. So if it is making you innovate, if it's making you feel better, if it's making you try something new, what is wrong with failure? Okay, so and मतलब मैं तो ये एक एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ, बट मैं तो जिंदगी में इतनी बारी फेल हो चुका हूँ. आई हैव फेल्ड सो ऑफन दैट आई ऑलमोस्ट फील लाइक राहुल गांधी. ओके, ये मतलब जितने स्टेट इलेक्शन, जितने असेंबली इलेक्शंस, जितने नेशनल इलेक्शंस वो आदमी हार चुका है. तो कोई और आदमी होता तो he would probably not show his face. I mean, the ability for him to pick himself up and go back and campaign is what really makes me admire him, because it's the belief that you can do something, and that is what needs to happen. And failure itself isn't so bad. It's what happens before the failure, which is the fear of failure, and what happens after it, which is where you build resilience, and we'll do a video on this one. But those are the two aspects. But in actuality, if you're failing, there's nothing wrong with that. So, और मेरे लिए पर्सनली तो एक और चीज आती है इसके अंदर से कि मेरी तो दो स्ट्रेंथ्स हैं, एक क्यूरियोसिटी है और एक ह्यूमर है. तो क्यूरियोसिटी जो है वो अगर मैं फेल हो जाता हूँ तो इट मेक्स मी क्यूरियस इन टर्म्स ऑफ हाउ आई कैन डू बेटर. एंड the second thing is humor. So sometimes it gives me content to laugh at myself, and it feeds on my, it gives me content to laugh at. So it feeds both strengths, and therefore I am completely okay with failing, and I think you should do too. So आज आप एक काम कीजिए, एक कोई ऐसा काम पकड़िए जो आपने जिंदगी में कभी ना किया हो. Okay, go out, try it. Okay, fail miserably at it. मतलब इतनी बुरी तरह फेल हो कि मतलब 0 आउट ऑफ 95 आए आपके, और उसके बाद ना मुझे बताना ज़रूर कि हाउ यू फेल्ट. एंड या तो कुछ सीख लोगे या we'll laugh at it together. This is Sid Bari. Until next time, be fearless.